What is up, YouTube? Do you know the biggest thing that makes the difference for the big gurus as opposed to everybody else in the Make Money Online world? I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming right up in my review of Campaign Converter. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. And that's because I wear a fedora well pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull them successfully. Well, I mean by Bailey over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know the drill. Feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be stale as well. Last week's cakes. You know, I went to the bakery the other day over here, and I picked up a babka. Now, if you don't know what a babka is, you haven't seen Jerry Seinfeld yet.
That was our babka. We had that babka.
What's this one? That? Cinnamon babka.
Another babka?
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, seriously, but seriously, it was so stale and so pathetic. I was so upset. My cat was here looking at it and saying, "Daddy, why did you buy such a stale cake?" Anyway, but seriously though, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things: I review software and info products in the Make Money Online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying much of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Okay, Bart, seriously? You have to do that every day? You know how annoying that guy is all the time. He's as bad as stale babka. Seriously, the babka needs to stop. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give it a match product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Lemon. See, Liz knows from babka. She's a New Yorker. You know, she should know from these things. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button, the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Because frankly, subscribe, well, it doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we are looking right now at the sales page for Campaign Converter. Now, this is a brand new course from my friend Dawood Islam and his partner James Kennedy. Now, basically, the big thing about Campaign Converter is that the idea is you are going to make more money by having a review, kind of like what I do here on YouTube, but usually people do it on their own website. I'm actually going to be starting that up again, by the way. I haven't done it for a long while. I just got the logo back for my brand new website, which is going to be launching in a few weeks. It's going to be really, really cool. There's going to be a podcast. There's going to be, we also have a brand new mobile app that's going to be launching. There's going to be a lot of new stuff coming out from me very, very soon in the next few weeks. You're really going to be seeing so much stuff from me. And I'm going to be doing something similar to what Dawood and James are suggesting here, which is basically that you have a bonus page where you talk about your bonuses, you offer the products that you want to offer, et cetera, and you make it available for people. Now, here's the deal. Basically, what they're doing is they're going to give you ready-made bonus pages that you can go ahead and use them in order to build your own business. Okay, but I'm going to do something really, really special for you. Before we take a look at the members area, I want to do something very, very special for you. I am recording right now, well, right after I finish this video, basically, I'm going to be recording them, 3 brand new courses. Okay, these have never been seen before. These are brand new. My cat is meowing about it because she's excited that I'm recording new courses. But seriously, I'm going to record some brand new courses that I'm going to give out 3 brand new courses with full PLR. And yes, you can use my name so you can sell it, give it away, do whatever you want with it. Okay, you're going to get full rights to use these courses and give them away as bonuses to use with the Campaign Converter ready-made bonus pages. This is really going to make a big difference for you when you're using this method, because if you just give away ordinary PLR, it's not going to be nearly as valuable as something where you can mention the name of a top person in the marketplace. I am just like Dawood is a top affiliate, I'm also one of the top affiliates. I am a top vendor on Warrior Plus as well. I've been doing this for a while, and not to toot my own horn, but my name does carry some weight. So let's go ahead and see if I see what's here in the members area. You can see here, basically, it's going to teach you all about the idea of creating a bonus page where you're going to give away bonuses. Now, basically, what I've been treating my YouTube channel kind of like a bonus page, but I'm going to start going back to actually having full-fledged bonus pages in a few weeks once I launch my new website. It's going to be really, really cool with a whole lot of new stuff on there that I'm very, very excited about. And basically, you'll see here, he's going to show you how to use Commission Gorilla, which is a paid software, but you can also do a free version of the bonus page. He's going to teach you how to do a free version as well. And it's going to give you all the resources that you're going to need in order to do that. And of course, you're going to get from me 3 brand new videos, brand new courses that you can sell or give away as PLR that nobody else is giving out because they don't exist yet. I'm making them literally right after I finish making this video. By the time you purchase, they should be done and up and ready for you to go ahead and use them. So let's see if I'm going to give a tip as a product creator or not.
You rock!
Yeah, seriously, that was kind of obvious, wasn't that? I mean, seriously, you rock. Okay, this is really the thing that's going to make the big difference for you if you want to be able to make money online. Do this. Grab this course. Grab my PLR. You're going to love this.